Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the lock, this one. And to lock the touchscreen, simply tap on this icon. As you can see, it said locked, and now when you try to use the touchscreen, you won't be able to do it. This option is quite useful if you, for example, want to take a shower with your watch on or swim with your watch on. It will prevent mistouches on the touchscreen because the water is conductive, right? You can also do it while you're sleeping, for example, to prevent the mistouches also. And if you want to unlock the touchscreen, simply press and hold one of the buttons and keep holding it until you see unlock message on the screen, and now you should be able to use it again. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.